Hey guys, so we just finished breakfast and now we're at Putt Putt. Oh, I'm not even in the thing. We're at Putt Putt now. Yeah, I'm just gonna sit here. I didn't wear tennis shoes and I didn't bring my golf clubs because I didn't want to do this. That's the real reason. But yeah, so this is what we're gonna be doing. What my dad's gonna do. He brought his golf clubs. I did not. They have this new upgraded thing now, so you can check your golf swing and everything. It's really cool. And then they have seats now they didn't have before. There's my dad right there. Hi, Dad. Wait, how do we zoom in? Here we go. Hi, Dad. Say hello to the people. You don't like being filmed. Yeah, I keep filming you. Oh, he want me to film his swing though. So here's the screen right here. You're like trying to hit these targets. You can barely see because of the sun. And it's like hooked up to that stuff out there. It's kind of like Top Golf. If you guys have ever been to Top Golf, kind of like that. So I'm literally sitting on the floor. Sorry for the angle. I wanted to open a few packages that I just got in the mail. Just slicing this bag open. First one is from Urban Outfitters, actually. Their makeup brand. I don't know if you guys remember, I did a review using a lot of their products when they first launched. So since then, actually added me to the list to try out more of their products. Okay, so there's 3 effortless everyday lip colors, and you have one in the shade Scorpio, Smolder, and Punch. These are the 3 colors right here. It's like a nude, a red, and a pink. And this is actually a skin quench spray serum. Spray directly onto skin or over makeup whenever you need a refresh, hydrating pick-me-up. And then there's a toner. These are toner pads. I haven't had much luck with toners. I don't really use toners. They kind of break me out in the past. I can't wait to try the lip smudges. Let me open it so I can see what the packaging is like. Oh, it's like it looks like a lip balm, but it has color on it. That's pretty cute. I might try this tomorrow when I do my foundation review. I'm gonna be filming the Juvia's Place foundation that just came out, so I'm gonna be filming that review. So the next package is from Laura Mercier. My camera is literally about to die. Luckily, I have another battery over there, so when it dies. Oh my goodness, a mascara. Have they always had mascaras? I've never tried a mascara from them. I'm really, really, really excited about this. 90% saw intense volume. 94% saw full panoramic effect. Oh my god, I cannot wait to try this. And then they have a waterproof liquid eyeliner. I'm definitely trying this as well. Maybe hard to see the mascara. Oh, there, you can see it at that angle. So, camera did die. So, back to where I was. Let me set this down. The liquid liner. And there's also a lash curler. I don't really use lash curlers, so I'm gonna put this in the giveaway. And then the last thing I got is from Herborian. I don't know if I said that correctly. I already took it out of the package, but I didn't look at each product like specifically. So they just launched in Ulta, which is so exciting. Ulta is one of my favorite places to shop. The first thing that I got is a CC cream. It's a high definition radiance face cream. It's in the shade Caramel, and their CC cream has color matching pigments to transform to match your skin tone for a easy, all natural looking bright and happy complexion. Let me know if you guys want a review of this and I will do that for you guys. I haven't heard anyone talking about this specific product, so I can't wait to try it. And then also we have the pink, wait, this is in another language. Oh, okay, here it is. Here's the English. Blur Secret Glow Skin Refining 4-in-1 Primer. So this is the primer. We'll be trying that as well. Now there's actually some macaroons in here as well. They melted, but it says their brand name on the front of each macaroon, which is super cute. Well, actually one says their brand name. I can't see what the second one says. It kind of melted, and then the last one has Ulta Beauty. That is so cute. The last thing is the Glow Cream, which is maybe a primer. I'm not quite sure. I think you can either use this on its own or as a primer, I'm sure. It's non-comedogenic. I wonder, are all of them non-comedogenic? That's what I kind of like to look for in face products. I don't think the Pink Perfect cream is, but this one is non-comedogenic and the CC cream is non-comedogenic. That is so cool. I cannot wait to try this. I love getting new makeup. It is just so much fun. All right. Oh, it is so bright. I can't even see you guys. I've switched parents. Now I have my mom. Boop. She doesn't want to be filmed, just like my daddy didn't want to be filmed earlier, yet I filmed them anyway. So now we're at Home Goods. It is so bright out here. We're just going directly to return, so I'll see you guys in a second. So we changed our mind. We're walking around and this is so cute. I love camera stuff. And if you guys follow me on Instagram, you know that I'm like on the hunt for a chair. And this one doesn't go with my room, but if it was white maybe, but it doesn't go. And then this one doesn't have a back or arms. There's a mama and kittens in our backyard. And I'm literally losing my mind. They are the cutest. It's 6 kittens. And there's the mom, she's asleep. There's one. There's about 3 over there. They're play fighting. So cute. And there was one, yeah, there's one right there. Probably taking a nap. Too cute. And there's one missing. So cute. Oh my god, guys, I have not said hello. It is Saturday. It is like 1 o'clock. And yeah, I've been awake since like 8 something. And I haven't said hello. I haven't done much though, so that's why I haven't turned on the vlog camera. But now I'm about to go to this archery place and do the bow and arrow thing. Memphis is stepping it up. We got a lot of different stuff these days, so I'm gonna go check that out. But I want to get some food first, so I think I'm gonna stop at Lenny's. I don't know, it's kind of like Subway if you don't have a Lenny's near you. So I just got my camera car mount in the mail early. So it was supposed to be here Monday and it's Saturday and it's already here. So I'm trying to figure out how it works. I don't understand these pieces. Like this, my camera goes on. I don't understand. And I'm on my phone looking. Let's see if they have like a step-by-step thing on here. I have a to-go order for, yeah. Did I pay here? Thank you. Yeah. He said, are you vlogging? And then I said, yeah. And he just smiled and said, he gave me the thumbs up, like, yeah. How cool was that? Got my food, guys. And for some reason, the lighting is weird over here, but I got my food. I'm about to eat and drive. Don't do what I do. Don't do what I do. So this is a place, looks super sketch. I literally take off my makeup so quick. You guys will start to see that in my vlogs. But I'm back home. I think I figured out how to put together my car mount, so I'm about to do that now. Did you see the look she gave me? Like, oh my god. Daddy like being in it. He'd be like, hey, America. So now I'm in the car. I'm not going anywhere. I just want to set this thing up. God. Whoa, I am sweating in here like crazy. I think I got it though. I'm pretty sure I got it. I'm gonna just have to change like the zoom or something it was telling me. I don't know. But yeah, this is amazing. Now we can vlog. I can drive around. I may even go somewhere. Psych! Let's go in the house, but I can't wait to vlog whenever I leave the house, like me in the car. So I'm at Marshall's. Gonna check out the makeup area. Of course. Oh, these are pretty. My mama, I don't see anything else. Oh, this is empty. Me and my parents came to Marshall's to kill time. We're about to go see John Wick. Daddy, you want to say hello?
What's up, America?
Maybe like, hey, America. But yeah, so I got some lashes and a purse. And I think that's all I'm gonna get. Oh, they have Real Technique sponges in here. I haven't used these in a while. I don't even use sponges anymore, to be honest. So we just got back from the movie. Literally, it was so good, but a bunch of killing. So do not take your kids to that movie, but it was really, really good. You guys should go see it, definitely. Don't know what I'm about to do. I kind of want to take a nap, but at the same time I want to wait till like it's nighttime so I don't like wake up and be up all night, you know. So I might try to push through. All right, let's check it out. Oh, it looks so good. Oh, my mouth already watering. Good morning, guys. It is Tuesday, and I was going to film, but I'm going to Starbucks first.
Good morning, welcome to Starbucks.
Good morning. Can I get a decaf soy latte, tall, and I have a cup? If you guys do not have the Starbucks app, you definitely need it. Well, if you go to Starbucks. If you don't go to Starbucks, I guess you don't need it at all. Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. So it looks like, guys. It says coffee lover. I don't even know if I'm technically allowed in the club since it's decaf. So hey guys, actually about to film really quick. I'm just going to try some new makeup that I have, except the base makeup.